Still not sure if Kajabi is the right fit for your business? Well, nothing to worry about, because in this video, I'm going to help you decide if this platform will be a good fit for you and your online business. Kajabi is marketed as an all-in-one tool that can help business owners create, market, and sell digital products. And they're absolutely right. It has almost everything you need to seamlessly manage your business. However, like any other platform, it has its strengths and weaknesses. And in this video, I'm going to talk about all of it. So you better stick around if you want the full scoop about Kajabi. So let's start with the pros. Kajabi Pro number 1. It's an all-in-one solution for online entrepreneurs. This means you'll have everything you need to manage your business in one place. With all the features Kajabi has, you can manage customer relationships, start email marketing, and create courses and landing pages in just one platform. You'll be saving lots of time and money and energy. No more juggling between platforms and trying to pay for subscriptions for different software. And since everything is integrated, you'll experience less hassle and more time for creating profitable and winning content. Kajabi Pro number 2. It has a user-friendly interface. Not everyone can be tech savvy, so Kajabi has made its interface really simple for everybody. It's very easy to navigate, and even beginners will feel like a pro. You don't need to take up courses in creating a professional-looking website for your business, and you won't even need a professional's help. Kajabi can help you create a great website for your business in just a few simple steps. The drag and drop feature is heaven sent, as it allows you to customize your pages and your entire site without any coding knowledge. Can you imagine that? Designing a website without knowing how to code? That's awesome. And let's not forget about the wide array of free templates you can choose from, so you won't need to start from scratch. You can simply choose a template that resonates with your brand and start customizing from there. Pretty easy, right? Kajabi Pro number 3. It has integrated tools for marketing. What's really nice about Kajabi is it has a solid set of marketing features that can help you in marketing your digital products and grow your audience. With its help, you can create landing pages, set up automation, and get started with email marketing. It even has a built-in CRM that can help you manage your contacts. Kajabi has analytics to track your business's performance, sales funnels to convert your leads into paying customers, and email marketing to nurture your leads. These tools are designed to work together to help your business achieve efficient marketing. So what more could we ask for? So now we're on Kajabi Pro number 4, which is the seamless payment integration. You won't have any trouble receiving payment for your digital products, as Kajabi has chosen popular payment gateways, which are Stripe and PayPal. You can even set up different payment terms like subscriptions or plans, one-time payments, and multiple payments. With this flexibility, you can allow your customers to choose the payment term that they prefer. What's even more wonderful about this is that Kajabi will handle all of the technical aspects of the payment process on your behalf. So this means you can just sit back and focus on building and marketing your content. Now let's move on to Pro number 5. Most platform has customer support, but I can say Kajabi is one of the most reliable ones. They offer 24/7 live chat support, so it doesn't matter what part of the planet you're on or what time zone you're in, you'll surely have someone to help you if you stumble on problems along the way. It even has a supportive online community where you can share tips and tricks and also gain knowledge from other Kajabi users. So whether you're experiencing technical problems or just want to know how to get the most out of the platform, the support team of Kajabi will assist you. If you ask me, this type of support is totally underrated. It would be really helpful to get all the help you need if you're in foreign territory, especially if you're a beginner content creator. Scalability and growth potential are really important in a platform like Kajabi. Every entrepreneur is aiming for their business to grow and thrive. That's why Pro number 6 on our list is Kajabi scalability and growth potential. So whether you're a startup business with a single course or a full-blown online academy, this platform can accommodate you. As your business grows, you can launch new digital products, create membership sites, and add more courses. Kajabi is designed to grow with your business, so you won't have to worry about outgrowing the platform. However, no platform is perfect. Even though Kajabi has many pros to start with it, it doesn't mean that it doesn't have its weaknesses. Now, let's talk about the cons that you may want to consider. So the first con on our list is the cost. As you may already know, Kajabi is a premium platform and its pricing reflects that. Before, it had 3 pricing tiers, which are the basic for $149 per month, the growth for $199 per month, and the pro for $399 per month. Now, Kajabi has added a new plan, which the Kickstarter will allow you to only pay $69 a month. Take note that the plan you choose will depend on the level of support that you need. And as the price increases on each tier, the features offered are also increased. For a creator who's just starting, this can be a significant investment, but I guess you already know that because businesses always come with risks and startup costs. Con number 2 is transaction fees. Yes, we're not over the money talks yet. Although it's true that Kajabi wouldn't charge a transaction fee on sales, you might still want to consider the fees imposed by PayPal and Stripe. Sure, these won't be big fees, but they can add up as you sell more of your digital products. Nevertheless, it's worth noting that all the other alternatives utilize the same payment gateways, Stripe and PayPal, so we shouldn't view this as a drawback specific to only Kajabi. Kajabi con number 3 is the learning curve. Although I might have mentioned earlier that Kajabi has a user-friendly interface and even beginners can navigate it, it still has a little bit of a learning curve. With all the features you can explore on the platform, it might take you some time before you get the hang of all of it. Or maybe you get overwhelmed with all the tools. Thankfully, Kajabi has lots of resources that can help you learn about the platform faster. It has a supportive online community, webinars, and even video tutorials that would make everything easier to absorb, even for busy business owners like yourself. You can also get access to my free course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which will walk you through setting up and launching your business. Another weakness of Kajabi is its lack of advanced marketing features. Compared to standalone marketing platforms, you may notice that Kajabi lacks some advanced tools. For example, you won't find advanced segmentation and analytics options on the platform. But even though Kajabi's tools are a bit basic, most entrepreneurs find them substantial to manage their business. Not to mention that those functions are pretty adequate for an all-in-one platform. The final drawback on our list is Kajabi's restricted design versatility. I'm not suggesting that pre-made templates don't look nice and professional, they do. However, it might be worth considering that there are certain limitations you'll encounter in designing your website with Kajabi. I guess everyone would want a completely unique look for their website because that says a lot about their branding. However, the limitations on Kajabi may restrict you from fully customizing your website to your liking. If you require more advanced design than what's available on Kajabi, you may want to consider using additional tools or hiring your own website developer. So there you have it, all the pros and the cons of using Kajabi for your online business. Overall, it's a great platform that can help equip business owners and content creators with a set of tools that can help them in creating, marketing, and selling their digital products. If you're looking for a solid solution that will grow with you as your business grows, Kajabi is one of the platforms worth considering. The ultimate selling point is its all-in-one feature. It even has commendable customer support, a user-friendly interface, and plenty of pre-made templates to choose from. With those awesome features, Kajabi can be a great choice for many entrepreneurs. Now, normally if you go through Kajabi's website, you'll get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features and it's easy to get lost. But in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial days. Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking all your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, but you'll get all that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission and no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or valuable insights to share about Kajabi, please share them in the comment section below. Happy creating, and I'll see you on the inside.